Seedling startup story. From small shop to big dream. The tale of two brothers, two men characters. Aryan, age 26, the elder brother, practical and calm. Kunal, age 22, the younger brother, creative and energetic. Round pushpin setting. A small town in India label startup name, Green Sip, India's first eco-friendly tea cart chain brain startup theme, sustainability, innovation, and family bond. Aryan had just completed his MBA and returned to his hometown. Kunal was still in college, but he had big dreams. One evening, while drinking tea at a roadside stall, Kunal said, "Bhaiya, what if we create a tea brand that is eco-friendly and healthy?" Aryan laughed at first but saw a spark in his brother's eyes. The roadside stall had plastic cups, poor hygiene, and no branding. Yet it was full of customers. Aryan realized something important. Everyone drinks tea. But no one has made it beautiful, clean, and sustainable. That night, the idea of Green Sip was born. Rocket the beginning of Green Sip. They started small, with just 10,000 rupees from their savings. Instead of plastic, they used clay cups, kolhads, organic tea leaves. Natural sweeteners like jaggery. They designed a small, beautiful cart, painted green, and set up their first tea stall near a college campus. Kunal made the tea. Aryan handled marketing. They wore simple uniforms with the Green Sip logo. Speech balloon. What made them different? USP, eco-friendly, no plastic, only clay, paper, and bamboo. Health conscious, no chemicals, only herbal ingredients. Emotional connection. Every cup had a small positive quote, "Smile today, you matter, breathe deep." Local employment. They hired local youth to run the carts. Upward trend challenges they faced. People laughed at their kolhad tea idea. Rainy days slowed sales. Finding the right tea mix took months. Parents were worried. You both are educated. Do something better. But Aryan always told Kunal, every startup starts small. Keep believing. Glowing star turning point. One day, a food blogger visited their cart and posted a video on Instagram. In 2 days, they got 50,000 views. Students, office workers, even tourists came looking for Green Sip. They started getting invitations from malls and events. In 1 year, they expanded to 10 carts in 3 cities. Money bag revenue and growth. First month income, 8,000 rupees. After 6 months, 40,000 rupees per month. After 1 year, 2 lakh rupees per month. They reinvested the profit, created a franchise model, and started workshops on sustainable living. Bond between the brothers. Despite small fights, their love never broke. Aryan said, "I had the experience. Kunal had the fire. Together, we had everything." Kunal said, "My brother believed in me before the world did." They named their tea blends after emotions. Morning joy. Peaceful evening. Dreamer's delight. Each tea had a story.